tell me, or tell yourself, write it down, what do you wish for? There's a real core reason why you've invested your time and energy and headspace and heart space, quite frankly, into getting into a fasting state to reap all of the amazing benefits that are very unique to you and your situation. Now, I want you to be very mindful of exactly what you wish for. Write it down. So now I want you to look at all of your wishes, or the one wish that you have, the one core reason, and I want you to write down what you worry about. What is going to get in the way of you achieving that wish? We are going to slowly and surely make massive changes that may look small, but they're going to have massive outcomes, and it could mean everything. We're here. Dream big, okay? Dream big, and there's nothing that's going to stop you. Let's just pretend that. Nothing is here to stop you, only to help you get there. You don't have to be in a rush. You just have to be in motion. We're not gonna get it all done in a day, okay? Especially for you overachievers out there. Couple that with the perfectionism and all the things, and we're just set up for not success. Here, you are going to set yourself up for success. So please make that note, and we're going to come back to this at a later time. But what is your wish? What is your worry?